How to unlike stories and reels on Facebook. So if you want to unlike stories and reels on your Facebook, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. Once you open up your Facebook, now here you will have the story, right? So if you want to like this, then you can simply go and like the story. But if you want to unlike the story, then what you need to do is go with the upper right, which has that three dots icon. And here you will have undo sent reactions. Tap on it and then tap on undo, and that's it. That's how you can unlike your story reaction. And if you want to unlike the reel on your Facebook, then what you need to do is simply go with reels. So here I got the reels section. So you just need to simply open up the reels, and under your reels you have reacted something on your reel or on someone's reel, right? So if you want to unlike the reel, then what you need to do is simply tap and hold on to that reel, and again tap on the reaction which you've just sent. So I've sent a like reaction, and I'll just again tap on the like, and you can see that it has been removed. So that's how you can unlike your story and reels on your Facebook. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.